Well, the state has been given 14 days to present charges against 30 suspects accused of killing more than 400 people in the Shakahola massacre. Now, this now means that the respondents, among them Paul Mackenzie, will be freed on bond if prosecution fails to charge them, as the court declined to grant the government 180 more days of custodial remand. Our Coast Affairs reporter, Kevin Mutai, has the details.
Shanzu's senior principal magistrate Yusuf Shikanda, in his ruling on the miscellaneous application by the prosecution seeking to continue detaining the suspects, threatened to release cult leader Paul Mackenzie and his 29 associates. Yusuf noted that the government had a lot of time to carry out and conclude investigations, stating that it has been a long journey that must come to an end. His ruling read, and I quote, "The state is hereby allowed to hold the respondents in custody for a further period of 14 days from today to pave way for any processing in the event that a decision to charge is made." The court further ruled that if no decision to charge the respondents will have been made after the expiry of such period, the court will consider releasing the respondents from custody on terms that will be determined by the court. Mackenzie and his co-accused have been in detention for 117 days since the state sought for 6 months of the custodial sentence. The prosecution had argued for the days in order to facilitate completion of investigations, which includes the ongoing scientific examinations to identify the bodies of the victims who died. The magistrate also noted that in the event the state decides to charge the respondents, it would require time and facilities to process the charges and eventually present the respondents in court. This is owing to the number of respondents and the possible charges they may face. The matter shall be mentioned on 23rd of January for further orders, but the earlier orders on the treatment of the respondents while in custody still remains. More than 400 people died from the religious doctrine in Shakahola, Kilifi County. However, Paul Mackenzie is currently serving a 1-year sentence for operating a television station and other film activities without a license. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.